We've all been there trying to DIY a home repair or ignoring that weird sound in the basement. But when it comes to your insurance in Minnesota, some mistakes are costlier than a botched weekend project. Like assuming your standard policy covers every type of water damage spoiler alert, it often doesn't, or forgetting to update your coverage after a major renovation that bumped up your home's value. Don't let a small oversight become a massive headache. At Fallon Insurance Agency, we help you spot the gaps before life hits hard. Let's make sure you're actually protected.